Okay, hello. Today I want to make a review about eToro, a CFD, a forex broker. So let's look on the homepage. So we are here on the eToro homepage itself. So right now you can see that we are able to trade and invest in stocks, currency, indices, commodities, and also ETFs. So there are more than 2 million trades, and you can see there are popular investors. You can also become a popular investor. There are more than 6 million people. eToro itself is fully regulated. It's the money that you're depositing there is secured because it's not on eToro itself, but it's kept with a European bank. Also, your privacy is protected. You can fund it with Visa card, Mastercard, Diners Club, PayPal, Skrill, NetTeller, UnionPay, WebMoney, Yandex. So bank transfer. They are reviewed in the press by Financial Times, Bloomberg. So there they are described internet social network that lets user follow investment. The way it tracks status updates on Facebook are attracting record interest in turning top performer into market stars for individual investors. So this is what the news, the press is saying about those. Those with little less expertise might like to try a platform called eToro, which allows customer to copy stars trading directly, and you can make traders or even the least informed of punters. CTAM recent research we carried out with Massachusetts Institute of MIT has shown that copy trading, where traders watch the trading activity of other people and make their decision accordingly, performs significantly better than manual trading. So Financial Times, the best returns occur when investors are plunged into the diverse social groups that enable them to collide with the information from multiple networks. In the social media world, as in real life, it pays to hover to the edge of clicks, but not get slavish sucked it just into one. And Bloomberg, internet social. Okay, that one I think we already had. So eToro is a platform like Yoni Asia says is where they use the intelligence of the crowd. So you're not making alone at home your decisions. You can learn from other people. So why eToro? eToro has exactly this advantage. So it's actually a simple trading platform. It's easy to buy and sell. It's categories, and there's not a lot of tools. You can actually use tools for analyzing the markets and so on, the social trading aspect. eToro itself tries to guide people through responsible trading. They calculate risk score and other aspects, so you always know like how risky am I trading, how low risk am I trading. They have each person gets a personal customer care. So I also have my own account manager I keep talking to. So you can also get the demo account where you get credited with practice things. You can learn and practice for free. You can follow and copy the best. What else? There are more opening hours, fees. The fees are not the cheapest in the market, but the interesting thing is the popular investor program. Why I like eToro, it's probably one of the best because others. I will probably explain it another time because it will keep the video too long. So eToro itself was founded by Yoni Asia, like I said, and his brother, and they developed the social trading platform in 2010. Before it was just eToro itself, where you could trade and invest, and then they came an open book and a copy feature, and they got funding from people in Russia and China. So they are still based in Israel. They have an office, but they also have a branch in UK. I think also in China. So they are partnering with in Australia with IC markets. So they they allow you to introduce in CFDs. It's basically first it was US stock, and then they added Bitcoin in 2014. In April, they added German and British stocks, and you can also trade indexes. They are regulated in Europe by SISEC. In in UK by FCA, and in the US by NFA. Like, actually don't know nothing about US. They are also sponsor of Premier League soccer club West Ham United. Okay, so let's log into the account. Let me see. I think I have to go back. Okay, right now I'm logging into my account. Okay, so you can see here right now I'm in my account, and to give you an idea about copy trading, okay, here we have, for example, the founder Yoni Asya is also copy trading. So right now you can see he has a pretty good performance. He reached 109%. So you can see his stats. So you can see right now in the beginning he wasn't so good. He was basically the loss. And then since 2015 he's doing good performance. And when you look at the last year, you can see his risk score was always below 6. He has a small drawdown of less than 10%. He did 300 trades. He invests 15% in Bitcoin, 10% in Ethereum. And right now we can also look in his portfolio. This is the really interesting aspect of eToro. So you can right now see he's investing 23% in Ethereum, 11% in Bitcoin. So he has also investing in special products. You can see he invests in copy funds, Alibaba. So right, we can see like right now we see the best investment. So his best investment was Amazon. He bought it at a really cheap price, and Netflix was also a good investment. Microsoft, Visa, Bitcoin, and also his copy trading. So the people that he copy traded right now, Jack Annister is doing good performance. Jay Nemesis also doing good performance. I mean, Tim Warner is a company. So actually here is another person and also good performance. So also we are right now here. And then you can also see the bad investment we go down. You can see these are somehow the not so good investments. So he also invests in Warren Buffett, but Warren Buffett is not currently doing great. So also he bought the Snapchat, which actually got into a big loss. So that wasn't such a smart decision. But I mean, he can hold it or he can close it and still believe in it. So that's about eToro. That's about the founder. And also right now you can see right now. I mean, people can copy. So right now you see right now here there is Axel Lozornio. He's right now he's copying me. Then I can go here. Then right now I can see actually right now he's copying me. So you can see right now, I mean, there are 420 people that are copying me. So I'm happy when someone's copying me. So is another person. So you see is another person just copying me. Okay. So this is the aspect of social trading. So from the products that you can invest, there are basically three basic products you can invest. One is copying in people, one is copying in copy funds, and the other one is you can copy directly into markets. So just look in the markets. So right now here the market is divided in ETFs, stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. So here we have the indices. You can view all. So all the indices, there are not 12 different indices. And now we go to ETFs. So there are 53 ETFs. So it's mostly iShare, ETFs, and some others, which I actually don't know. I mean, PowerShare, yeah, I mean something VIX, if you know anything about it, and stocks. So with stocks, we don't have all the stocks that you can buy, but we have a good selection. So we have stocks in New York. It's basically divided into industries and exchange. So you can invest in industry, in the basic material, conglomerate, consumer goods, financial, healthcare, service, technology, utilities, and you can also choose by the stock exchange. So you can buy stocks in New York, Frankfurt, London, Paris, Madrid, Milan, and Zurich. So these are for stocks. So let's just go back. So this was ETF, stocks, and then commodities. So we can invest in 7 different commodities. I mean, the major one are gold and oil, and some metals like precious metals and natural gas. And then the last one we have currencies. So we are able to invest in 49 currencies. I mean, the most important one are euro, US dollar. Right now also Bitcoin has become really, really popular, and Ethereum, and also like a Chinese currency, even South African. We have a lot of different currencies that you can invest into. Okay, that was about market. So copying people. You can instead of trading yourself, you can also copy people that also do buy stock, so they can copy other people. This is a bit more complex thing, so right now I won't go more into it. And then the last one is copy funds. So these are collections of copy funds that are built after special algorithms. So these are, for example, the gainers quarterly. So these are the best gainers in 1 quarter. These are a portfolio of active traders. This is a trending traders portfolio. Then there is a copy plus R4, and that's for it. Then there are market funds. So here is a market fund for big banks, big tech. So the big tech company, probably from US, and Alibaba. And then there's the gaming industry. There's all stock portfolios. You can see also the performance, the golden energy. So we have US stocks. You can see all the performances. The sector ETF, food, drink. And we have like partners that are partnering with eToro. So we have Warren Buffett that has his Berkshire Hathaway. You can see exactly what products he's investing in. We have AlphaCore. We have Work Active by Tackle Tracking. We have ICANN's portfolio. We have Wachenheim. Yeah, and that's it. Let's just go, for example, right now, what can we see? Right now, we go into Warren Buffett, so we can actually see right now the second richest person in what kind of portfolio he's having. So right now, you can see he's invested heavy into Kraft Heinz food, but actually he's a bit in a drawdown. Also, Wells Fargo has some problem, right? Coca-Cola is doing good like always. IBM is also not so good currently. And American Express is busy. Okay, so you can see right now, for example, if Warren Buffett is buying a lot of Apple stocks, you can also see the changes because you can track everything directly here. And you can also see the bad investment. I don't know for the history if you can see right now he has any changes. So I think right now, yeah, we can see right now he did some changes. So he removed, you can also track the way he's trading, so you can see he removed the US key, and you can also track the way people are trading. So you are basically competing with the best. And so right now you can see Warren Buffett just made a big change on 27th of February, and before there wasn't any big changes. Okay, so I will do other future in the future. I will do more videos. So this is about eToro itself. You can see it's a trusted website that is regulated, and your money are safe. So if you have any questions, you can ask below in the comment, and I'm trying to give you the best answer. And I'm also expecting to make more future videos. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.